I'm walking over to our new invention, the Seeker Musso Wide Arch Edition, exclusive to Seeker UK. We've been a Ssangyong dealer now for just under a year. Fantastic product, that's why I took the franchise on. This truck will tow 3.5 tonne and carry a tonne. It's the only one on the market, I believe, that can do that. It's also got rear discs, so fabulous product. Comes with a 7-year warranty. Now, this Wide Arch Edition is exclusive to Seeker Styling. We've been a styling company now for 5 years, and we are the largest styling company now in the UK for pickup trucks. So it's got an exclusive chin bar. Them wheels are only made for me, you can't buy them anywhere else. It's modulars on all-terrain tyres, and it takes some fitting, I can tell you. It's got a full blackout pack, tinted lights, chin bar, Seeker Wide Arch graphics, privacy glass, roll bar, and the arches are colour-coded to the body, so gives it a little bit of a lift. Looks fantastic. I'm going to take you around the car. Looks very mean. We've been styling the Seeker Raptor now for 3 years, and it's been very successful, and I think this is going to do really well because it's got a really nice price point. It starts from 22,000 plus VAT for the styling model and based on the EX. You can go to the Saracen Auto with leather, and also if you've got a Musso and you want it styling, bring it in, and for 3,500 plus VAT you can have the full kit, which is the wheels, the colour-coded arches, the bed caps, the roll bar, the privacy glass, a full blackout and dechrome pack, the graphics, the chin bar, the tinted lights. Takes about a week to do, so give us a call. We offer finance, 2.9 on AR, 15,000 over 5 years is 300 a month, instant part exchange, price match, nationwide delivery. But it's an exclusive product to Seeker Ssangyong. It's, I believe, the first one on the market with wide arches fitted properly. So come in and look at it. Like I say, starts from 22,000 plus VAT with a 7-year warranty, 150,000 miles. If you want to borrow one for 3 or 4 days, bring your driving licence down. You can take one, try it, see what you feel, tow with it. It's got a tow pack on, which is 495 plus VAT. Come and take this car, come and try it and see what you think. Very, very proud to release this Wide Arch Edition today. Thank you.